How to use ginger as a natural remedy for gastritis. 1. Gastritis is a common problem where the stomach lining becomes eroded. If left untreated, this can lead to stomach cancer and further problems. 2. Gastritis usually includes having symptoms of indigestion, acid reflux, or GERD. 3. The good news is that there are some natural remedies which can be used to treat gastritis. Let's take a look at today's recipe. You will need 1 inch of fresh ginger, 300 milliliters of water. Method: heat the water in a pan until boiling. Slice the ginger thinly and add to the pan. Let this steep for 10 minutes before straining and drinking. Add a little raw honey to add sweetness if you wish. Drink this on a daily basis for at least 3 weeks. 4. The ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which heals the inner lining of the stomach. It also reduces the irritability of the stomach when consuming hard to digest foods. 5. If you do not have fresh ginger available, you may use a good quality ginger powder to make this tea. 6. Ginger also aids the digestion process and helps your stomach to break down foods more effectively. This prevents a buildup of gas in the small intestines later on. 7. If you suffer with gastritis, we recommend eating slower and chewing each mouthful of food 10 times more. This will help to break down the food and allow it to mix with saliva. This makes it easier on the stomach. 8. Do not drink water during a meal, as this will water down stomach acid, further irritating your gastritis. Consume water 15 to 20 minutes after a meal and in between meals. 9. Drinking a healthy mineral water throughout the day will also boost your digestive health, as the trace minerals within are essential for a healthy body. 10. Eating cooked vegetables are easier to digest for those with this medical condition. Raw vegetables should be avoided until after a few weeks of drinking the ginger tea. 11. We do, however, recommend sauerkraut, which is fermented cabbage. This contains sulphur, which heals gastritis and stomach ulcers. 12. Spicy food should be avoided also, as they may irritate the stomach lining. These can be added back into the diet after the stomach lining is healed. 13. We also recommend aloe vera juice and licorice root tea to help with gastritis and stomach problems. 14. Ginger can also be used to prevent motion sickness and nausea. Please see our other video on this to learn more. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.